Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to force restart your iPhone. All right, let's begin. A forced restart is useful if your iPhone is frozen, unresponsive, stuck on a black screen, or experiencing software glitches. It won't erase your photos, apps, or other personal data. To force restart your iPhone, quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. Immediately after that, press and hold the side button. Keep holding the side button even if the slide to power off screen appears. Don't interact with the slider. Continue holding the button until the screen turns black and the Apple logo appears. Then release it. Your iPhone will restart automatically, and any temporary software issues may be resolved. If Siri appears instead of the Apple logo, try again by pressing the volume up and volume down buttons in quick succession before holding the side button. It may take a couple of attempts to get the timing right, especially if you're doing it for the first time. So that's basically how you can force restart your iPhone. That's it for this video. Thanks.